Totoo o AI lang? Litrato ba to o render? The final showdown. Totoong photo ba to o gawa lang ng AI? Sa first glance, halos wala kang mapansin. Pero may mga detalye na hindi kayang itago. Alin nga ba sa dalawa ang tunay? Yung nasa left o ang nasa right? Bago pa maging mainstream ang AI, may kuha na akong itinuturing kong isa sa mga obra ko bilang macro photographer. Taken ko ito noong 2006 pa, gamit ang DSLR, patience, at timing. Sinali ko ito sa isang photo contest na ang theme ay contrast. At bakit nga ba contrast? Kasi sa litratong ito, pinakita ko kung paano ang apoy at tubig, dalawang magkaibang mundo, ay nagtagpo. Hindi lang sila naglaho, nagyakapan pa sila. So here's the challenge. Kaya bang tapatan ng ChatGPT 4o ang kuhang to? Yup! Si ChatGPT ngayon may bagong image generation feature. At hindi ito katulad ng lumang DALL-E ha. Mas realistic, mas cinematic, mas nakakalito. Sa totoo lang, ang output niya, nakakabilib. May contrast, may details, may drama. Pero teka, kapag tinignan mong mabuti, may kulang. Let's compare. Itong real shot, splash, imperfect but beautiful. Flame, natural, unpredictable. Texture, organic, raw. Ang AI version naman, splash, symmetrical, engineered. Flame, masyadong polish. Details, digitally precise pero walang damdamin. Looks real sa thumbnail, yes. Pero sa mata ng isang photographer, walang soul, walang kwento, walang truth. Pero gusto ko ring i-share sa inyo yung prompt na ginamit ko para ma-generate yung mga images ng kandilang hinulog ko sa tubig. Heto sila. Ganito ang unang ginawa ko. In-upload ko muna yung original image o itong photo na ito na kinunan ko noong 2006 para maging reference ni ChatGPT 4o. At pagkatapos, nag-issue ako ng initial prompt ko na nilagyan ko pa ng title, Contrast, An Impossible Embrace. Can you bring this photo to life where the candle's wick is burning, producing a dominant vivid yellow, red, and orange flames which starkly contrast the cool bluish environment around it. The juxtaposition of fire, the flames, and wax in the shape of eyes in water creates a surreal, paradoxical visual, a meeting of elemental opposites. Just beside or partially over the flames, splashes of water is frozen in time mid-air, forming an elegant arc or pillar. Droplets of water like rain coming up, spreading all over the photo can be seen suspended, like from a sudden drop or high impact, giving a dynamic and kinetic feel to the scenes. The splash curves protectively or dynamically around the flames, almost as if interacting with it, either threatening to extinguish it or dramatizing its resilience. The coexistence of fire, water, and candle wax in one frame creates a visual and thematic paradox of the contrast of water embracing the flames. Fire and water typically opposite one another, yet they cohabitate in harmony or tension. The bright red, orange, yellow of the flame contrasts beautifully against the deep blues of the water. Subtle light reflections and transparency in the splash add textures and depth. This could be seen as a metaphor for resilience, fragility, or transformation, a flame refusing to go out despite being surrounded by extinguishing elements. And lastly, sabi ko, it may also represent a fleeting moment as the scene seems to capture an instant that would change the next second. hindi ako nasiyahan dun sa unang image generated by ChatGPT, kaya I adjusted and refined the prompt by issuing this. Let the water splash curve around the candle's flame in an almost embracing motion, forming an S shape. Ito siya. And then, another follow-up prompt again, a hyper-realistic, high-resolution photograph captured with a high-end mirrorless camera using a macro lens, showcasing an extraordinary moment of elemental interaction. The scene unfolds in a blue basin filled with water, where lit candle is caught mid-drop just before it succumbs to the extinguishing force of the water. As the candle strikes the surface, the water reacts naturally and explosively. A splash erupts, arcing dramatically around the flame in a fluid, almost protective S shape. The flame itself flickers in defiance, curling toward the splash as if reaching out to embrace it in return. Suspended droplets hover the air, frozen in perfect clarity, adding textures and realism to the capture motion. The lighting is carefully observed and masterfully rendered, enhancing the translucent quality of the water and the subtle glow of the flame against the basin's cool blue hue. The entire composition feels both spontaneous and sculpted by nature, a precise time-frozen moment of tension and contrast between fire and water. Another follow-up prompt is this. Enhance the reflection of the flames in the water, not only on the surface but also within the splash and suspended droplets, to capture the mesmerizing interplay of light and motion. Make the flame vivid and alive as though frozen by the lens of a master high-speed photographer who has perfectly timed the moment. Emphasize the dynamic reaction between the flame and the surrounding water, showcasing the fluid motion and the way light reflects, refracts, and dances through every droplet and ripple. So ilalagay ko na lang yung mga images na na-generate ni ChatGPT, and opposite it are the exact prompt that I have requested kay ChatGPT. I made this video not to bash AI, pero para ipakita kung gaano pa rin kakaiba ang gawa ng tao. Tayong mga artist, photographers, creators, may pinaghuhugutan tayo na wala ang AI. Timing, intent, emosyon. Ang kuha ko noong 2006, isang sandali na hindi na mauulit, at yon ang essence ng tunay na litrato. At sa mga nasa industriya ng photography o mga creative artist, ito ay nagpapatunay na tayo bilang tao ay may katangiang hindi kayang palitan ng AI. Hindi pa ngayon. Ang kailangan natin gawin ngayon ay alamin kung ano ang AI at gamitin ito bilang isang tool, katulad ng Photoshop sa post-processing, para ma-enhance ang kulay, mapalabas ang subject, at mapadali ang creative workflow. Pero tandaan, ang creativity, ang idea, ang concept ng isang tunay na photograph, hindi yan kayang tumbasan ng AI. Dahil ang mga yan, galing sa isip, sa puso, at sa damdamin ng isang tunay na tao. Wala ang AI niyan. Kung naniniwala ka pa rin sa magic ng human art, like, comment, and share mo to, para sabay-sabay nating ipaglaban ang puso ng sining. Buhay Pinoy, where art meets truth. AI mo, AI ko, AI nating lahat. Buhay Pinoy! Kita-kits sa susunod.